Hey, good news. It looks like Chainsaw finally decided to wake up. Bomb Girl is right behind us. Ah!
What now?
He's cutting through the roof!
What?
You hurt me so bad I thought I was gonna croak. My brain's all mixed up. But I'm starting to see clearly, and what I'm seeing is bullshit! I realized something just now! Every single time I meet a girl, she ends up trying to murder me! Everybody's after my chainsaw heart! What about my heart? Denji's heart! Does nobody want that? Ah!